This is OnePlus 11, and today we'd like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, let me quickly demonstrate that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can clearly see, they are. So from here, enter the Google category of settings. That's the one that I'm at currently. Then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button, and actually prior to proceeding over here, I have to note one important fact, that in order for the method that will be shown today to work for you, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, unfortunately, you will have to look for another way. So once at the Google Account Management Center, open the Data and Privacy section and tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, we will recover the Google account right after the parental controls will be deactivated, so no worries regarding this matter. So in here you gotta enter the password to the child's Google account, then click Next. Then at the following page, check those two boxes at the bottom and tap at the Delete Account button once again. Well, at this point, we should be in clear, and the Google account was successfully deleted. It might take some time for the system to register this, so you might want to wait a little bit. I would assume that in my case, since there is no Google account linked, there should be no parental controls. Yep, I am absolutely correct. So the parental controls were disabled successfully. Now all that it's left to do on my end is to restore the Google account that we have just erased. So it is also a very simple and quick thing to do. Just use it to log into any other Google service. So for example, I will log into the Play Store with it. So first and foremost, I will have to obviously enter the email address once it lets me to. Just checking some info. It takes way too long, so I will reload the Google Pay. Alrighty, so now I can finally enter my email address, and if you did everything right up until this point, you should get this account was recently deleted and maybe recoverable message. So proceed as usual, then enter your Google account password, and 9 out of 10 times after you hit the next button, you will get the something went wrong message. In my case, it didn't happen, fortunately, but even if you do get the message or do get the something went wrong error, do not be afraid. Just restart the login procedure and re-enter both your email address and password. And it usually always works the second time around. So as I've already mentioned, in my case that isn't true, and it let me through the first time, which is, well, a great luck if you ask me. And well, here I have it. The Google account was successfully recovered, the parental controls were disabled. So well, that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.